Welcome to the Big Apple. With an 8-hour layover at JFK, there's no need to settle for airport food and free Wi-Fi when New York City awaits just a short trip away. You've got enough time to experience some of the city's iconic landmarks, culture, and food, even if it's just for a whirlwind tour. Welcome to Sydtravella. While it may seem daunting to fit everything in, I'll guide you through a seamless itinerary that balances exploration and relaxation, leaving you with incredible memories. So, let's dive into this exciting adventure in one of the world's most famous cities. Many travelers worry about how to make the most of their limited layover time, often overwhelmed by the sheer size and options of New York City. Missing the next flight is also a concern due to the city's notorious traffic and complex transportation systems. Adding to this is the fear of being stuck with only basic fast food options at the airport, craving an authentic New York meal instead. People want quick and easy access to the heart of New York to maximize their experience and explore iconic landmarks. They want a taste of the city's rich culture, whether through its historic sites or local cuisine. A memorable dining experience is essential, even if it's a quick meal, so they feel they've truly savored a bit of New York's flavor. Navigating an unfamiliar city can be stressful, especially when there's the possibility of getting lost or stuck in traffic. Many travelers fear not having enough time to experience the city's highlights, worrying they'll miss out on meaningful moments. Additionally, delays such as long lines or transportation hiccups can turn the layover from fun to frantic. Now, let's turn these worries into excitement by following this foolproof plan. Your adventure begins the moment you clear customs and grab your bags at JFK. On Google Maps, you'll see the air train JFK will take you directly to Jamaica Station in 12 to 15 minutes. From there, transfer to the LIRR Long Island Railroad for a smooth 20-minute ride to Penn Station. This is by far the fastest and most convenient route to Manhattan, allowing you to maximize your time in the city. As you step out of Penn Station, the excitement of New York hits you instantly. You're surrounded by the city's energy, sounds, and sights. You've arrived in the heart of the Big Apple. If you're feeling any concerns about missing your next flight, don't worry. Keep an eye on your watch and the time it takes to navigate between landmarks, and you'll be able to enjoy NYC stress-free. From Penn Station, it's just a 10-minute walk to Times Square. On Google Maps, you'll see that it's only half a mile away, making it an easy stroll through bustling city streets. As you step into Times Square, you're greeted by towering digital billboards and the constant buzzing of one of the world's busiest intersections. Spend 30 minutes soaking up the vibrant atmosphere, snapping photos, and browsing through flagship stores like M&M's World or the Disney Store. Feeling hungry? Treat yourself to a quick bite from one of New York's famous street vendors and enjoy an authentic hot dog while taking in the scene. If you've got a sweet tooth, grab a slice of Junior's famous cheesecake, the perfect NYC snack to keep your energy up. Worried about feeling overwhelmed in such a busy place? Remember, Times Square is a quick stop and designed to give you a bite-sized taste of the city's fast pace. But it doesn't need to consume your whole layover. Enjoy the scene, snap some photos, and move on when you're ready. Now that you've tasted a bit of the city's energy, it's time to unwind in one of the most peaceful parts of Manhattan. From Times Square, hop on the N or R subway line, and in just 15 minutes, you'll arrive at 5th Avenue 59th Street Station. On Google Maps, you'll see that Central Park's southern entrance is right next to the subway station. Step inside and spend the next 45 minutes exploring the beautiful, serene paths that provide a refreshing contrast to the hustle and bustle of the city. Whether you choose to walk around the pond, marvel at the horse-drawn carriages, or sit by Bethesda Terrace and people watch, the park offers you a chance to relax. The atmosphere is perfect for clearing your mind while soaking in a more tranquil side of New York. Worried about losing track of time while enjoying the peace of Central Park? Keep an eye on the time and set an alarm if needed to ensure you don't get too comfortable. After your calming break in Central City, it's time to head toward the iconic Rockefeller Center. Just a 10-minute walk from the southern edge of Central Park, the short stroll down Fifth Avenue is filled with high-end shop and a view of stunning Art Deco buildings. On Google Maps, you'll find it's just under a mile away. Once you arrive, make your way to the top of the Rock Observation Deck. The view from here is legendary. Central Park, the Empire State Building, and the entire Manhattan skyline are laid out before you. The elevator ride itself is a thrilling experience, adding to the excitement of this visit. Spend 45 minutes soaking in the sights and taking as many photos as you can. This is an unforgettable stop. You're probably seeking that iconic New York City experience, and nothing screams NYC more than Rockefeller Center and the view from top of the rock. Make sure you savor the breathtaking views of the skyline and iconic buildings. By now, you're probably hungry, and Midtown is the perfect spot to grab a quick, delicious bite. On Google Maps, you'll see plenty of options around Rockefeller Center. For a true New York experience, head to Joe's Pizza for a classic slice. Easy and undeniably New York. If you're craving something a bit more substantial, walk over to Carnegie Deli for a pastrami sandwich that's packed with flavor. For those with sweet tooth, don't miss Magnolia Bakery's famous banana pudding. It's the perfect dessert to cap off your Midtown meal. Enjoy your meal while soaking in the buzz of this lively part of the city. Concerned that the airport food options aren't exciting? Midtown gives you access to authentic NYC cuisine, so you'll head back to JFK feeling like you've already tasted the city. With your energy restored, head towards the Empire State Building, a quick 15-minute walk from Rockefeller Center. On Google Maps, you'll see it's just under a mile away. As you approach, the towering structure will leave you in awe. If you have time, go up to the 86th floor observatory for another stunning view of New York from one of its most iconic landmarks. Spend around 45 minutes here, admiring the architecture and snapping photos of the legendary skyline. Even if you don't enter, standing at the base of the Empire State Building is a classic New York experience. You may worry about not having enough time to fit everything in, but with the Empire State Building just a short walk from your previous stop, this iconic structure will easily fit into your schedule. With just under 2 hours remaining, it's time to head back to JFK. On Google Maps, you'll see that from the Empire State Building, Penn Station is just a 10-minute walk away. Once you arrive at Penn Station, hop on the LIRR for a quick 20-minute ride to Jamaica Station. From Jamaica, transfer to the air train for a 12 to 15-minute trip straight to your terminal at JFK. The total journey takes about 45 minutes, leaving you with plenty of time to pass through security and relax before your flight. No need to stress, everything is planned out for a smooth return. Worried about being late for your flight? You've got ample time to return to the airport and make it through security without rushing. In just a few hours, you've managed to visit some of the most iconic spots in New York City: Times Square, Central Park, Rockefeller Center, and the Empire State Building. You've enjoyed a taste of authentic New York cuisine and soaked up the unforgettable atmosphere of the city. All this in just one layover. It's amazing what you can do with the right itinerary and little planning. Don't forget, when you return to JFK, always double-check your passport, boarding pass, and gate information, ensuring a smooth departure. So next time you're on a layover in New York, know that with the right plan, even a few hours can turn into an epic adventure. See you next time, and always remember to turn every travel into an unforgettable journey.